Yo, Harlow. Quick on the draw. What is up, bud? How you doing? Recovering from your trip? Hey, happy Tuesday, everybody. The worst day of the week. You doing good? Have to come to Missouri in 2 days. You're leaving for one trip right after another. Holy crap. I don't envy you. Trips are fun, you know. But too many trips makes me tired. I don't know how you do it. But good on ya. All right. Thankfully, this one's only for 2 days. Oh, that's cool. Good. A little shorty. Just make sure all this is working fine. Yeah, that's working. I kind of look like a psychopath in the lighting, but it works. Going to die if I had to go longer. Yeah. Completely understandable. So, I think we made good enough progress to continue building out Thyrus, which is pretty cool. But I'm getting this itch to work on another project. And it's a problem because it's Roblox. I don't want to do it. I don't want to get into it. But there's a lot of money in Roblox, man. Lots of money. Just sitting there. And I'm considering starting a game. Making a game. But we'll see. I already have a concept. Working on it with my daughter, because she's a major Robloxer. So even if I think it's great, and I'm like, I know better. If she, you know, if she thinks it's dumb or something, then I'm like, well, that's Gen Alpha. So kind of need to please the Gen Alphas. All I can tell you is that the title of the game is Collecting Bananas. So you know it's going to be fun.
You know why I started Foresight, Grain.
Because you're a psychopath?
To take over the world?
Alright, let's see. Let's jump into production because we need to create all the stuff I just did locally. But correctly. Yo, Sama!
Yeah, that's
Did you jump on the wrong YouTube?
No one gets it, Grain, but you do. You get it. That's why I chose to bring you here. Why I gave you the most funding, the biggest lab. You and I. Right. Almost like twins, eh? None of this matters.
You like that? Alright, Sama's here.
Not the money, not the board, and certainly not 99%.
I just figured out how to play that.
Developed and pushed out of here. So, what does matter, sir? Magic.
Man, it's so hard on that little
Magic,
keyboard.
Sir? Like,
Do,
wizard
do, do, do,
magic?
do.
Did you know that lightning was considered magic at one point? Fire? The sun? No, the magic to which I'm referring is not the magic of fantasy. It's the unknown. Science yet to
Okay.
be discovered. So far,
We're making
that if
contact with
anyone
those
from our
boots.
time saw it
Do,
in
do, do, do,
use,
do, do.
they would have to consider
Yep.
it magic.
We're doing it.
Everyone is afraid of what they cannot comprehend. Just like people are afraid of your research. The world
So
could
good.
fly by another 1,000 years, and we'd never figure out what a real
Okay,
wormhole
so now we
is.
have
Space-time
communication
has so
type
far been frustratingly beyond
CNC.
words. Your research is something quite special.
And oh my
I
God, is
called
he
you
still
here to tell
talking?
you to continue your
Shut
research.
up. So now we'll go to the cutscenes
You are to continue, and in fact, double
because
your efforts.
this
Effective
cutscene, Talk to Andy 1, is
You
going to
will be
make
stationed at my research facility in Orton,
the CNC show up.
I'm sorry. did
So
you
the
say
engage
Scotland?
communicate is a new feature right here. We go
Ah.
boop, bop. So now this will engage the CNC device. So now that I'm in jolly old Thyrus. Yes, yes, of course. Let's refresh, because I just set that thing up. And let's see if it works. Okay.
May I help you, sir?
May I help you, sir?
Hello, sir.
Hello.
I'm Dr. Gray Milford.
May I help you, sir?
Yes. Sorry, I'm pretty sure I'm in the right place. Mr. Salverson sent me here to continue some research.
Mr. Milford, I see here you are stationed in Section C, Lab 3 of the research rig. Here is your temp badge to get you through the end of the week. A permanent badge will be sent.
I'm
to your
definitely going to need to add
company
some,
provided Delta sign, number 4.
a lot of customization features for the cutscene box.
Here are your keys.
Because that's
Do not
hard-coded
lose them.
styling for
If
like
you
the light
lose your
blue
keys, a
stuff, which is
replacement charge will be
basically kind of
required
the
to
color
procure a
scheme for
new
my
set.
game.
Here is your CNC.
And I also think the
Do
text
not
should be
lose your
bigger as
CNC,
well.
or a
but I
replacement
want that to be
charge will
controllable.
required to procure a new one. You can enter through the doors to your left.
Thank you, sir. I hope you have a great day.
Alright, and it didn't work. Fucking great. Why? Why, I say? Because the device isn't even set to go to this area, is it? God damn it, hold on. Communication. Oh no, I need to go to communication type. What's up, Sama? Okay, so we need to go here. We need to... We have this. No, we need to go to the area. Go to Thyrus and assign the CNC to it. Communication type, yeah, that's why. Okay. Now, I just need to restart everything. And try again. So talking to him is supposed to make the device show up because you collect it from him. So I added the ability for you to make the communication device show up after a cutscene. So let's just jump on over to Thyrus again. Okay.
May I help you, sir?
Da Vinci.
Hello, sir.
Hello.
May I help you, sir?
May I help you?
Yes.
Yes.
Sorry, I'm pretty sure I'm in.
Mr. Milford, I see here you are a permanent badge will be sent to your company. Here are your keys. Do not lose them. Here is your CNC. Do not...
Thank you, sir. I hope you have a great day.
Give me the phone. There we go. Magic. I need to get rid of those console logs. That's kind of annoying. Magic, people. Alright, so now we have the CNC device. What's even more magic is technically I should be able to, when I walk out, get a message right now. Yep. There he is. And now we can play it.
This is your CNC device. Refer to this while in the Tyrus Research Facility.
Look at that, people. We did it. We made a communication device show up and play when we want. Now, it needs a lot more cleanup and final stuff, but there's so much to finish in this game, which is crazy because this is like this is like 20% of the first book. And I'm not even done. So many assets and set dressings. So, now, what's next? Obviously, I can make the background look better. I can add waiting room chairs. I can add a plant. I can add things to interact with in here. I think I was supposed to add doors right here, which I didn't. Didn't I already do that? I thought I did that. No, I didn't. Yeah, I need to add doors right here. Oh, I gotta get rid of that. This is not supposed to be in here. I just used it for scale. Is it this? Oh, too much. Oh wait, the door too. Yeah, the door's not supposed to be here either. Items. Not part of map. We'll just save it. Okay, there we go. So this is the map. Add butter, yeah. God damn it, I forgot the butter. Where were you 10 minutes ago, Sama? Oh, I'm adding random spot healing. Okay, so now... Yeah, so we can add a bunch of stuff here. We need a door here. And we need... What else do we need? Alright, I'll let you guys decide. Harlow, Sama, you're watching. What do you want me to do next? You want me to work on the art of the map? Or do you want me to work on the next NPC that's going to show up? Because that's the love interest and that's your onboarder and one of the main characters that you collect. Basically, what happens next is you're going to walk up, you're going to trigger the onboarder to walk towards you, and you'll have a conversation with her. Or we can add a bunch of NPCs to the map, which will require us making a bunch of NPC avatar people. Yeah, there's no real good options here. I'm sorry. What are we going to do? Let's play and think. Okay. Summoning my inner brain to finish my world. What? What does that even mean? Weird decorations. What? You're not even talking to me, are you, Sama? Alright. We're gonna need them before we create a vessel Orbem. Because how we gonna fit the vibe when we have a Ronald McDonald sitting in a basement? Sure. Alright. So, I've decided. Let's just fucking do more on the map, I guess. I've changed my mind again. Let's focus on the map. All right. I've decided again. We're going to focus on the map. All right, here we go. First off, we need a door. So let's go here. What? So we're going to put some nice doors here. Where did I cut off? I cut off the map right here. So the doors need to go pretty close up. Shit. The doors will go right somewhere like right here. Actually, I can probably just steal those doors that I made. 1 second. Yeah, let's just steal these doors. Is it this? No. This? Yes. Door, I choose you. Alright. And we're gonna put you right here. Great. And now we're going to jumbo size the door. Yeah, something like right there. There we go. Yeah, that'll twerk. Only problem is his line's all janky now. Which isn't the worst thing in the world, but we can fix it. With a little magic. Oh wait. A little magic. New. A little. Nope. Magic. Something like that. Yeah, that'll twerk. That actually doesn't look bad with that little. Kind of gives it more of like a 3D look with those little extra lines. I'm leaving it. Sadly, I'm not good at planning. I follow the basic rules of map, layout, map, decorations, character decoration, random duck. Yeah, that's true. I'm with you, man. Honestly, if I could just program the game the whole time and create like the functionality and have an art person do all the art, wouldn't be a bad life. Oh yeah, that's right. Everybody buy flex keys. I can't even say it. Hey, do you have issues with your fingers? Do you need more agile and dexterous fingers? Flex keys. Nothing's more fun than playing with flex keys. That's all I can say. How WordPress is going to function as a game engine? Yes, Miguel. Thank you. That's a great distraction from what I didn't want to do. WordPress. This is a WordPress website. This is WordPress, the dashboard. My website, orbemortar.com, is on WordPress. I'm a WordPress programmer. This is my custom theme I developed. Now, on one of the pages of my website, which you can get to by orbem.games, you can play this right now, takes you to a video game. This is my RPG video game called Escape to Orbem. I made this using the game engine that I developed in WordPress. Not a game engine that I integrated into WordPress. I created a game engine using WordPress. So, what does that mean? All of these are custom post types, custom taxonomies. Some of these are custom taxonomies. All of these are custom post types. These are game engine global options for the game, like starter screen music, icons for certain global things in the game. The page on the WordPress site that's going to play your game. So these are all the pages on my site, but I chose Escape to Orbem. So these are configurations in WordPress using custom fields I registered and made, and using custom post types to create items, areas, create missions, cutscenes, enemies, magic, focus view, which is like zooming in on something, walls. And we just finished building communication device. So all of that outputs into HTML templates into my game, and I do stuff in it. And the game logic is plugin dev in PHP, or is it JS? So it's two things. Because it's WordPress, you know, if you know WordPress, backend is PHP, front end is JavaScript and Sass styling. What does that mean? That means there's two games. Hey!
The underscore cubic meter just followed.
I like it. It's a great name. Welcome to the party, my friend, and welcome to Twitch. Glad to have you. I forgot to put the category on, so I should probably do that. You just reminded me. So yeah, backend's PHP, frontend is JavaScript. So that means everything has to persist to the database in PHP. Oh, okay. You're some. That's your Twitch name. Got it. Well, welcome anyways. Yeah, I appreciate it, Miguel. So, and the main point of that it is PHP and JavaScript is, you see, I'm walking around and stuff like that. But when I stop moving, I save the coordinates of the player so that if somebody randomly refreshes the website by accident, they can continue their game and they're in the same spot. It saves everything you do in the game. The missions you finish, the cutscenes you go through, the messages you collect in the game. And basically, you know, you can progress through the game knowing that you're not going to lose your place if for some reason the website goes down or something like that. Yeah. So, yeah, that's how you do it. And as far as I know, this is the world's first WordPress game engine. It's a no-code RPG maker. Kind of like RPG Maker, but integrated directly into WordPress. And if there is one, I haven't heard of it. There are definitely plenty of plugins that integrate other game engines into WordPress. Or maybe have like a JavaScript front end only, but this utilizes WordPress at its core. And I mean, I do have a front end like game builder dev mode that you can use the front end to build things, walls and change sizes and stuff, but yeah. No Noggin. Ooh, I like that name. Hey, first one here, you nailed it. Getting twitchy with it. Hey, if you want, you can have a stream avatar floating above my head at all times. Are you interested in that? It's very easy to do that. How's it going, Noma Noggin? Noma Noggin? Noma Noggin. Alright, well here's all you have to do. Go to orbemortar.com. I actually developed a plugin in WordPress that integrates Twitch into my website. So you see this like the Orbem order list, you're on there. Look at, you're in gold. You're number 1. Good job. So all you do is create an account. Now, when you're creating an account, and that's by going to /register, make sure no name noggin. There you go. Thank you. Make sure that you have the exact same username. So your username needs to be the_cubic meter all lowercase. And if you do that, tell me what picture you want, and I'll get you floating above my head in no time. Do people get it wrong all the time? Yeah. Well, all those N's and M's all next to each other. Yeah, I get it. No name noggin. I like it. Welcome to the party. Okay, let's see. Let's actually update the Twitch category, because I completely forgot to do it again. Edit. What is it? Game development. There she blows. There you go, now we're good. Okay. So, now that we got that out of the way, let's jump back into making this work. Oh, you're a game dev? Hell yeah. I'm actually technically a website programmer. My game engine is built into a website, and the game is basically just website development that's really complex. But what do you build on? Godot, I'm guessing, like everybody else, or Unreal Engine. You like watching streams of other devs? Hell yeah. Well, we finished a bunch of development on the communication device. That's this cell phone that pops up and lets you listen to messages. But unfortunately, we're working on art today. So I'm adding a door, and then that'll stop me from walking over there. Oh my god. Sometimes my songs overlap, my background and the game music. There we go. Game Maker, okay. Game Maker Studio, hell yeah. That's pretty cool. Ooh, I nailed that. That's really cool. What project you've been working on lately? What's your newest game? Tell us about it. We want to know about your game. And please, spare no expense on the details. Now we're back. A fourth wall-breaking game where the developer left the game unfinished. And the game itself doesn't want you playing it. That's fun. That's really cool. That gives you a lot of leeway to play with like screwed up game mechanics and like leaving out pieces of the map and stuff. And when you're like trying to like block the person from getting through levels and stuff like that. With broken code or something. That's awesome. Very creative. I love it. I love it. Well, my game is not as creative. It'll have intense lore. Yeah, I bet. So my game is actually based off of my sci-fi fantasy novel series. So this is the Harmonian Chronicles. Only 2 books out. It's going to be a 4-book series. I'm working on book 3. The game's basically, the demo is the first 5 chapters of book 1. Your website, no, let me create one? What do you mean? What's it doing? What's wrong with the website? Should be working. Go to orbemortar.com/register. And then you add your username, email, password. It didn't let you? At the end, you will have to convince the game to finish the game. Oh, that's interesting. Got it. It has to finish the game for you to finish it. You want me to do it for you, maybe? Just make a dummy account so you have it. The cubic meter. We'll say cubicmeter@gmail.com. I'm sure that's not a thing. Password is... I'm not going to tell you what the password is. You're not allowed in your account. Alright, let's see if it works. Oh, I think it's because you have an underscore in your name. Shit. It might not let you do that. Damn. I didn't think about that. Womp womp. And unfortunately, you can't change usernames once they're created. I really need to make another field so you can add your Twitch username to the user account. Damn. That is upsetting. I am very sorry. Maybe you just need to change your username. No, it's my fault. Here, we'll do it right now. We'll do it live. How about this? It's another plugin I developed. Let's add that field real quick. And that'll be the programming we do today. So let's jump into Miropelia. Let's go to register. And let's add a new user meta. Actually, I forget how to do that. Add user meta field, WordPress, and user edit page. Is it just a meta box? I don't think so. I think it's different. Pretty sure it's... Oh, do you have to do it like that? Alright, well. Looks like it's using the show and edit. Oh, no, I just want it for the edit. And what, I just add an input field? Okay. Should be easy enough. So we'll do action. Add Twitch account field. There might already be a field in there I could use, but this will be easier. Add Twitch account. This will be great, because then other people can do it. You can send me a Gmail and Discord. It's dummy one, so it's good. Oh. No. This is better. Okay. So now we just need to basically output an input field. Gotta go? Hell yeah. Yeah, I hope you're subscribed. No name noggin. And I will catch you in the next one, my friend. Thanks so much for jumping on. Appreciate it. And good luck with your game that's trying to stop you from playing it. That's an awesome concept. I really like it. Twitch account value equals wherever you are, I believe that go on, get user meta once more. You open the door. Nope. Wait, yeah. Current. No. Wait, what is the current user? Oh, it passes it. Good. That's helpful. User ID. That's all I And we'll do this. Cool. So, and then we need to add the save portion. Yeah, that's really good. The game that stops you from playing. That's so cool. And then it looks like we need to use this action. And it will save the data. Cool. Save user meta. And what does it provide you? User ID? Nice. Wait, was the other one user ID? Uh-oh. Scusi, mi scusi. Was the other one user ID too? No, it was a user object. Okay, that's what I thought. There's nothing up here. What is it doing? I don't really care about that. The post is... Okay. So we'll grab Twitch account equals filter input a var. Or is it just filter input? Why is this freaking out on me? Oh, public function. I'm like, what? Yeah, filter input. Input post Twitch account. There you go. You nailed it. That's not a thing anymore. Come on, IDE. We're just going to use filter input raw. No. Raw. Unsafe raw. There you go. And if false equals empty Twitch count, then let's do update user meta. Bop-a-doop-a-da, boop-bop-bop, boop-a-doop-a-da, bow. And that's going to be sanitize text field, WP unslash. Just a little bit of security so you scumbags can't be all scummy. Cool. Nope. Need one more. Yep. And did I miss anything? Hey! Lola Kayada. How you doing? Welcome to the party, my friend. We are adding a little bit of functionality to my website so that I can save Twitch accounts so we can start using stream avatars when you don't have the right username. Very smart. Alright, let's go ahead and jump into my local real quick. So I have two different IDEs open so that I can work on the theme separately from the plugin. So if I go to users and I go to a random account, do we have a new one for Twitch? Oh shit, did I not add oh, I didn't add a label. So you don't even know what it is. Label for Twitch account. My bad, my bad. Look at me. Twitch account. There we go. Let's try that. Yay, there it is. It was just sitting there the whole time. So we'll do Orbem order to see if it updates. Yay, it works. Okay, cool. So now that we have that field there, we can use it for my Orbem chatter plugin. Now that, I'm going to actually have to open up another window so I have access to the plugins. Alright, Orbem chatter, here we go. So right now the Orbem API is using the The avatar from the user ID. The user ID, get current user ID. No, that's not right. Oh, this is different. Where's the that's upload, which does not work. How do I get the user? Where am I getting the username? Yeah, here we go, by username. So instead of that, I want to get the user by... Oh, is that why I needed the username? Because I'm doing it by login. Can I get user by a custom field? Let me check. Dum da dum dum dum. Get user by a custom field. Big shot. Gotta ask you, is that part of gonna be my cutout? What? Oh yeah, what's your picture? You want to send me a picture in Discord that you want to use as your avatar? It's gonna be, you know, pretty small, floating up here. You can send it to me in Discord. I'll upload it. Get user. Oh, I guess I have to do it like this. Annoying. That's fine. Oh, it's going to be that circle that you have on YouTube. So let's do it like this. It's going to be Twitch account equals chatter username. Yeah. That's right. Cool. So I'll do it like this. It'll either be this. If it doesn't exist, we'll get it by this. Yeah. There we go. Perfect. Perfect. This is great logic that just came together. What? Okay, this should work now. Okay, now we need to push all this code up to production and see if it works. Scroll up, you see it. Scroll up. Oh, scroll down. Up. What? The hell? A wild Orbem. Hey, Deck Dude, how you doing, man? Welcome to the party. We're actually working on Orbem chatters. Remember that one? The original Twitch plugin I developed. I'm finally making a field so you can update the username. So you don't have to, you know, if you misspell your username, you can still use the same account. I'm not fixing the avatar upload yet, though. That'll take some time I do not want to spend. Alright, let's push up Orbem chatter. And we're also going to push update to the theme, which I think we just added this to the... What? I think we added this to the register class. Yep. Push! Go forth. And this is completely blind coding, by the way. Hold on, let me go into Discord. Is this where you sent it? Ah. Sorry, I was looking at the memes channel. I'm like, you want that picture? Wait, what? 8.7 magnitude earthquake hit the east coast of Russia. Damn. Triggered a tsunami. Oh no. I was just gonna go to Hawaii. That's crazy. Okay, you sent in an actual picture. Ooh, I like it. That's a trippy ass photo. And I am using it. What the fuck? Oh. Okay. Show to viewers. Oh, I want it to be a surprise when it's floating around my head. You just wait. Okay, now we're gonna jump into... Oh wait, did I create your account? Or did I stop because it wouldn't work? I think I stopped. Actually, create the account now. Like your actual account with... You don't have to have the underscore anymore. I'll fix it in the field. So go ahead and create an account now with your email and everything. Alright. Appreciate you jumping in, Dak. Always a pleasure having you around, my friend. I'll catch you in the next one. Alright, let's see if we have the users. Email. Doxing people. Woo! Let me know when you make it. Hey, and now you'll be able to play the game and save your progress. You can log in with the same account. In the meantime, we'll play some sweet melodies. Alright. That should be enough time. Whoop. Hey, Juan! You just joined the stream? I mean, the stream? Yeah, I'll show you. So this is, in dev mode. This is the game. Well, technically, that's the third level that I'm working on right now. But if you go to the first level, this is the game. So, it's the first 5 chapters of the Harmonian Chronicles, Book 1, Orbem. And the game is called Escape to Orbem.
What was I doing again?
And you'll see it's based off of this book right here, Orbem.
Hey Graham, I heard about you getting let go. The world is cruel and
It's a
people
lot of
are nasty.
cutscenes.
That's why I keep to my plans.
What is a
Thanks,
WordPress
Carol.
game engine? I know about game engine, but not about WordPress. Oh, okay.
Here, you're going to need this now that you're unemployed.
Yeah, she's helping me out because I just got fired. What? Really? Oh, maybe there's something else wrong with user sign up. Can you sign in with Google? Just do the Google sign in? At least to get started. This is WordPress, by the way. Titan Knight Gaming. Welcome. So WordPress is a CMS. It's for building websites. It's most notably known for making blogs and stuff like that. What? Wait, nothing's working? Shit, did my sign up broken? I'm gonna have to check into that. And I built a game engine in WordPress. So that's basically a plugin that you install in your WordPress website. And it'll create a configuration system so you can build an RPG, a no-code RPG maker. like RPG Maker, but it's built into WordPress. My website is built in WordPress. So you use these configuration fields, like these are items. Here's a door. You know, you save the picture of the item, all the configurations where it goes on the map, all the things it can do, like what area it's in, can it be interacted with, you know, is it breakable, collectible, that kind of stuff. This all gets done inside of the WordPress admin. And there's a lot of front-end mechanics too for the game engine. Like when I turn on dev mode, you can see like light blue things show up. These are actually invisible triggers on the map, including walls. Like walls are also items on the map. And you can click and drag them around, you can add new ones, you can change sizes, all from the front end. So gives you a little bit, makes it quicker to build out levels. But yeah, what the fudge are you talking about? Really? You can't log in at all. Let me check. There's probably a console error. I didn't even look. I just assumed it was your username. Yeah, no problem. Hell yeah. Thanks for the sub, my friend. Appreciate it. And yeah, I hope you jump back again. Love to hear about your gaming stuff as well. You're on a mobile device? I don't think that matters. Let me just check when I try to log in if there's a console error going on or something. This looks like it's just related to Google. Should still work though. Let's see. What's your name? The cubic meter. Hey! What up? C-Films in the house. C-Films, I think you have a stream avatar, don't you? I forget. Email at email.com. Let me see. Oh yeah, look at that. Site URL is not defined. There is a console error. Register submit. Why? Oh, this is my custom shit. Wait, what the hell's site URL for then? Ooh, did I lose site URL? That might be my bad. I might have removed that bar. Yeah. When the hell did I do that? Let's go to the theme real quick. Site URL. It seems like that would be a no, see, it's right here. It's an inline script. It should be loading. But apparently this isn't loading, maybe? No, that's right here. Yeah, I'm queuing it right above here. Huh. I do have an issue. Damn it. My site has an issue. Alright, that's annoying. Hold on, let me go to my local and see what the hell is going on here. What's the hell going on here? So if I go to the front end, does site URL show up here? Nope. Let's find out why. Obviously I fucked something up. Debug. Yeah, Miropelia. That's actually correct. Alright, well, let's see if the script isn't being registered anymore, maybe. That would be in the theme. Register. Script. Yeah, I'm not seeing it anymore.
Oh, sorry, Giles.
Oh.
Didn't see you there.
Sorry, Giles. You updated it?
No problem.
If your site has an issue, it might need a tissue. That's true. The site goes some smite.
I gotta go pack up. Got fired and all.
Oh. I think this might be from the update that my buddy Weaver made.
Bye, Giles.
Interesting. I need to add it to... How did he... Okay, I think I need to do it like this. Okay. Let's see if that works. Shoot, how did he do that with the inline script? I don't even remember. Crap. You know, we might just need to do this the old-fashioned way. Oh, shit. Let's see if this works. Just test it out. Yep, there we go. Site URL shows up fine. Shit. Flex keys. Sorry, I want to fix this. Let's see if it shows up in the console. Okay, let's push this up now. Now you can actually log in. Because account creation is very important to this website. And the fact that that was broken is very annoying. And it's probably broken for a long time. Who knows? Maybe thousands of people were trying to create fucking accounts, for all I know. Kiyama. Already forgot how to play it. Okay. Now this should work. No more user issues. Let's go to this. Let's go back and make sure there's no more console error. Oh wait, this is in incognito. Aliens! Exactly. I'm gonna create your account. Oh, whoops. Or let's at least see if it still has the same thing. Let's check that the site URL's there. It is. Great. Hey, it worked. And it used the underscore. Hey, it worked. And it used the underscore. Hey, it worked. Excuse me. Alright, well, good. I really didn't think I was going to use the underscore like that. That's interesting. Hey, we got Vex God. Echo, echo. What was it? The cubic meter. Alright. Now that we have that. Hey, that's pretty cool. Maybe I didn't know that it would work, and it's not a big deal. Alright, we're gonna upload your picture. Wait, what the hell? Where did I save it? Oh, desktop. Am I allowed to change it? It's Gmail on it. If you want to log in with Gmail, we can use that account, and I can delete this one. Up to you. Or I can change the email for you, I guess. But now I don't even need your Twitch account field. Since it worked. Alright, this should work. Update. Alright. Now. You have a bad name. Yeah, I get it. Yeah, Gmail should work now. You feel like my hands need something. Be able to flex. Got a new keyboard. Well, you know what would help with that? Flex keys. Don't forget about flex keys. Oh, look at that. Look who just showed up in the left corner of the screen. It worked instantly. Oh, God. Here he comes. I love it. Makes me happy. Flex keys. You a programmer? Musician? Rock climber? You need better grip strength? And are you bored sometimes and want to fiddle with your fingers? Get flex keys. It's really easy. All you have to do is go to flexkeys.shop, or you can go to orbem.shop, or you can go to orbemortar.com/shop, and you can get the flex keys. Only $4.99. They come in a million colors. There's about 10,000 color combinations. Probably not true, but there are a few. So get flex keys today. Help out your fingers. Be happy. We ship anywhere in the US. Alright. So now when you show up as the cubic, every time you show up on Twitch now, Sama, that will show up above my head. But when you're gone, it won't show up. It only shows up when you're here. And I developed this. I developed the movement logic and everything for it. And I just popped into OBS, and it's directly linked to the people that are on my Twitch account, or like at least chatting. And I used to have a lot more people that had them, but Twitch has been pretty slow. So if you want to sign in, you probably need to create a new account, which you can. That's fine. I can change your username to the Twitch account. So if you want to create an account with Google, go ahead and do that. Unless, is Google not working still? Should be working. Let me check. I guess I didn't test if Google was working. So you go to register, you click sign in with Google, you sign in with Google. Maybe it's not working. Oh yeah, that's not working. God damn it. How many times do I have to fix this fucking Google shit? I might have to look into this. Damn. Really? Google's not working anymore? Is it not working on the game either? Because that's really annoying. Cross origin. What the fuck is that? Why would that even matter? I'm on Google. I mean, this is my SSO button. Yeah, that makes sense. They must have changed the way they were doing auth now. Because this doesn't make any sense. Why this isn't working anymore. Seems like a... an issue with the redirect or something. Why are you broken? We have the prompt pop up. Yeah, right here. Orbem mortar. So that's the origin. Should be fine. Huh. Thank you, C-Films. That's really weird. If we go to orbem.games, I wonder if the games Google also doesn't work. No, same. Oh, it did work. Okay, so
Oh, hello, Dr. Milford.
that's weird.
Cranston.
So it worked for...
No hard feelings. Hey,
Huh. It
Mike
worked
Cranston.
for the game, but it didn't work for
I wonder.
the website. It seems like it gave him the same error though. That's what's weird, but then it logged me in. Yeah, look, it did work. That's really weird. But then when I try to log in here with the same account, it just fails. It just fails. Son of a bitch. All right. Well, now we're too deep. We need to figure this out. Get into a little bit of website development. I apologize. Yeah, so this won't... That's the problem, is that I can't fucking access this from local. So we're going to have to fix this in production. So let me double check how my login, like why it's different. I know I did move login logic for the game into the plugin. So I wonder if I fixed it there, and I never fixed the login on the site. So let's double check this real quick. That's reCAPTCHA. Here's the Google login right here. So maybe it's... Did I update the client ID or something? Let's double check. We'll go to the plugin. See what we got going on in there. Or maybe I didn't even put it in here. No, I did. So let's copy this and just make sure it's exactly the same. Because apparently it works in the game. Let's actually see if that actually changed anything. Nope, we did that. We added that. Does not look like it changed anything. Okay, well that's good to know. So it is the same exact login. But it's not working. Is there something with the login in JavaScript that's different maybe? The way I'm handling it? Let's see. Go back to the game engine. I think this is just, yeah, adding the scripts together, yeah. Google, text to speech. Okay, so here's the Google login shit. This is the callback that it's looking for. And it's supposed to reload after successfully doing it. I guess. There's only one sticker bummer. I've got a bunch of chat emote thingy doodads. Oh, they're all locked though. Yeah. Right. That's the only free one. Microduct? I don't even know what that is. Okay, so I'm gonna copy this. And this is if it doesn't exist. So let's see if this works. Yeah, technically this shouldn't even... Oh, this is way different. Hold on. This is the Google OAuth endpoint. Wait, am I doing the same thing in here? Oh, okay. Let's see if maybe I fixed this. Because this is the Google OAuth backend. Let's see. Nope, wrong one. Miropelia, there we go. Let's copy and paste you to make sure you're the same. It does appear to be the same. Let's just double check. Nope, nothing else changed. Alright, let's go back and see if there is any JavaScript. So we do have this. We're going to double check that this is the same. In Miropelia. So we have here handle credential response. And we'll do the same thing. Does look a little bit different, but we will not know until we try. And I'm gonna have to push the JavaScript. Whoop. All right. So we definitely have some changes here. All right, let's try it out. I'm just going to push the entire theme code up. There shouldn't be that many changes. Or I could take down the whole site. Could happen. Microduct. How do I add that? You mean add that as my own? Emote? I don't know if I want Microduck as my emote. Sounds like it's somebody else's emote. I don't care what you... Microduct by Sama. Oh, you made the microduct? Well, that's pretty cool. Shoot. It looks like there are a lot of changes. And that scares me. Yeah, there really shouldn't be. Well, let's just do the updated JavaScript and styling files in the build, and then we'll update. I guess I already updated the. Yeah, we already updated the register class. Okay, so let's see if the updated JavaScript fixes it. Go! All right, we got this. Yeah, so we can't test it locally because fuck me, right? I guess I could probably add the local environment as the as one of the acceptable URLs, but let's see if this just works. Just one more. All right. This is working fine. It is weird actually that this is sticking to the left corner. That makes me think that Google is actually not working because it's supposed to like center and look nice. So I'm guessing there is still an issue. And I wonder what that is. Yeah, like this is supposed to reload. Oop. And in the console, it's definitely giving us some bullshit. Let's get off of the home page maybe, because that's where the Twitch stuff is, but seems like this GSI logger callback is not a function bullshit's happening. I wonder why though. Let's see what chat has to say about this. Doop, 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 doop. Getting this with my SSO Google button. Oh, okay. I wonder if that just means my JavaScript's not loading. That would make sense, considering it wasn't loading the other stuff. That's annoying. Shit. So that means my actual JavaScript is just not loading on the site. It's the JavaScript. So I go to orbemortar.com. And I go to the JavaScript. And I go to the JavaScript. Oh my god, I'm so annoying. And we go here, and we go here. So we have app.js. That's loading. Does this include the Google stuff? It does not handle. So what is happening here is that it is minimizing my function names, so the Google function is not showing. That is the problem. And I feel like I'll need Weaver to help me fix it. So for now, what I can do is just add that again into, let's do that real quick. We need to add this separately onto the theme. Yeah, this is the problem. God damn it. I should have known. And then, yeah, let's do this. Okay, then we need to do this actually to make this work. This is a very dirty way of handling this. I would not normally do this, but I just want to get this fixed right now. So don't judge. Yeah, right. Slap a band-aid. I know, right? I mean, it's just my website. Do what I want. Now let's make sure it's loading locally now. Handle. There we go. And there it goes. That's it right there. Okay, let's just make sure this is wrapped in one of the... Actually, I guess I'm not doing that here, so I didn't have to do that here. Yeah. We should be fine. All right, let's see if Google now can see that function. Technically, I don't have to wrap it in that check to see if the function exists, but we'll see. Yeah, and this is now just in here. Text JavaScript. Uh-huh. Okay. Now let's push this bitch up. And see if we got SSO working again. At least it's working for the game. That's good. Come on, people. Just rocking out. I can't help it. Yeah, if you like any of the songs in the background, these are all either my bands or bands I've recorded with. This is Crooktooth. Kind of a collab with me and my buddy Ryan. From The Ryan Wood Show. Plug for him. Alright, let's push. I do singing and screaming on there. I've been playing some keys too for the band sometimes. Ready, set, go! Hell yeah, man. Just need to like drop the beat in hard after those. Alright. I think we can now check if that error goes away. What? Not yet. Not yet. Not yet. Well, let's check if it shows up. Not yet. It has not shown up yet. I'm very impatient with my code pushing. I expect the code to be pushed immediately. We need Songs on the Wheel on the Bus by Coco Melon. Alright, here we go. I'm just kidding. I don't know it. I don't know the wheels on the bus. Here we go. You imagine. The wheels on the bus go round it. Oh, I don't want to get demonetized. Scratch that. Get demonetized. Scratch that. Oh, shut up, me. So tired of my voice. Damn it. Well, we're still getting that error. That is definitely correct. So this is looking for that function. But where is it? Didn't I just fucking push that code up? Where's site URL? Okay, so it's still not here. Well, that's good. That means it's not broken. It's just still not pushed. I did push that though, right? Yeah, the register. Yeah, you almost got me. Though I'm pretty sure that's public domain. wow. That's not as easy as it sounds. I guess I could play in a different key, but... Wow. Yeah. I don't even want to learn that. It's fucking Insano style. Yeah, no, I pushed it. Let's chill. Chill, people. God, you guys are so impatient. That's not what I meant to do. I meant to clear the cache. Clear the cache. And I actually might have to clear the cache on my website, too. I didn't think about that. It is a little bit sticky. Let's see if the console error is still there. It is not. Alright, well, technically logging in should work then. Still ugly looking, but let's try it out. Yay! You can now get back to logging in with Google. Sucks copyright is a thing since people would like to make remakes and push expansions. Yeah, that's true. Recreate Pokemon Emerald when I couldn't buy one. Ooh. Alright, let's do it, guys. We're going to recreate Pokemon Emerald on WordPress. They can't sue us because it's made on WordPress. Let's do it. Why don't you try creating an account with Google now? You're my ultimate test subject, Sama. So go ahead and create an account, and then I'll add your Twitch account to that account. I'll delete this account, and then we'll see if it worked. Let me know. Because you have luckily distracted us from working on art today. I can work on art in my own time. But in the meantime, back to art. Oh,
I need to grab my stuff.
that's right. Gotta collect my shit. We already have our $50, Carol. Get away from me. That's right. You fucking walk away.
Guess I should talk to my boss before I leave. the door.
I have to talk to him now because I collected my stuff. Fulton, here we go, round and round. Here we go, round the mulberry bush. What? The monkey chased the weasel? That one? Yeah. Yeah, I can update. Well, I don't have to. But I can if you want me to. Your username doesn't show up anywhere. Except for on the website when you log in. But yeah, I can change it if you want. So if we go into users and we go to your new account and we go to let's find your account. Your account is not this one. Let's delete this one. You have been deleted. And you are... I don't know which one you are. Jerry? Random cubes. No. That's weird. It let you log in and everything, right? Oh, maybe it's on page 2. Ah, there we go. Gotcha. Alright, so we can't update your username, but we can change your first name. So you want to be the cubic meter. And we'll change your display name to be the cubic meter. How about that? And then we'll upload your avatar. Boop. Boop. And then this should work. Yeah, there you go. Oh yeah, I have to add your name. Okay, your Twitch account is the cubic meter. Now we'll see if it actually works. Cut my Gmail out of this vid. Oh yeah, sorry about that. I'll make sure I blur it in the VOD. Okay, here we go. And now should work. So, if it works, I can restart the stream avatars and you should still show up. 1, 2, 3. Uh-oh. Let's see if it's not working or not. Try again. The cubic meter. Did I spell it right? Should work. No? No, let's find out why not. Okay. Since you're so secretive, I'll move the admin off screen now. I don't want anybody to start spamming your email. I think it's on the second page. Your name is changed. And I have the Twitch account's correct. The cubic meter. Yeah. So that field is correct. And it should be using that field. Not that I tested it well locally. Let me just double check the code for the plugin. I did push up the plugin change. Yeah, I think I did. So we're getting the users by the meta key Twitch account, which I added. No, there's no spaces. It was just underscore. And then the chatter is your username, which should be the same. So the meta key Twitch account, that user. Number 1. I don't know if that's correct. Oh, yeah, I checked. If it was after, too. So if this is not empty, user equals that. And then we get user email from here. So that should work. But let's double check. Wait. What the fuck? There's no way for this to work. Can anybody spot the problem? I mean, if you're not into PHP, you might not be able to, but I'm just calling get users and I'm not even assigning it to users. God damn it. That's what you get for just like blindly fast coding. So of course it's empty because it doesn't fucking exist. Okay, let me push this up. I'm so confident that that's how dumb I am. And that's the problem. That I'm going to push the code up blindly now. And I know it'll work. That's just the kind of guy I am. Blind. I'm blind. Select file. Come on, people. We got this. And this is actually a very cool change for people in the future. So it's worth it. Come on, man. I know I'm pushing a lot of code. You gotta chill, website. It'll work. Yeah, Orbem blind them. I actually should be adding that custom field logic to the plugin. I shouldn't have added that in the theme, but whatever. I don't think I'm ever actually... I think it's just a custom plugin I built just to have it in a plugin. I don't know if anybody's ever going to want that one. Okay. Well, depending on how long it takes for the code to push, your stream avatar should just show up again. But we'll have to give it a second. In the meantime, we'll continue our concert. Enough fucking around. It's piano time. Game running smoothly, but the site itself, oh yeah. 100%. I've spent about 3,000 times more hours on the game than the website. That is a for sure. The website doesn't do anything. Hey, scientists! What's going on? Hey, the game is about scientists. What? No longer shorts live? Shorts live? What? What are you talking about? Seems my new domain is no longer shorts live. No, that makes... Well, it's still not loading. Can't really tell if the logic got pushed. Let's actually check. Order.chatters. Usually this is cleared before OBS is. No, it doesn't appear to be loading. Yeah, there is no chatters still. Seems... Get stream avatars is successful. Oh, you're on Twitch? Oh. Oh, you're no longer on Shorts Live. Oh, got it. Yeah, you're Twitchified. Come on. I really thought that would fix the problem. Wait, what did I do? Do I need to... I fixed this. Yeah, see, this is getting the stream avatars. So yeah, this should grab it based off of the chatters. And you're still on Twitch. Right? You're on Twitch. I mean, I know you're on Twitch, but are you showing up in my Twitch API? Are you on the Orbem order list? You are. So is Chula Chula. Hey, Chula Chula. Welcome to the party. The Twitch party. Okay, yeah, so that is correct. Your account is correct. Orbemortar.com/chatters has cleared. Alright. Alright, obviously my blind programming did not work. That was a pretty good guess that would be the problem, though. So let's actually double check what the fuck is going on here. I'll do that. Let's jump into the local. Orbem order dot local. Let's go into the admin. Of course I have to log in like a psycho. Alright. And then in users, let's see if I can get it to show up. Okay, so this is Orbem order for him. And what I'm going to do is hard code this to Orbem order and see if it shows up. Now we'll go to local / chatters. That's not what I meant to go to. There we go. Well, it's not. Oh yeah, I forgot. This is a rest route. Where is the actual fucking call? That would be you. No. How do I fucking force this to happen? This is a rest route. Where am I making the rest route call? I thought it was on chatters, but let's just put this somewhere random. Just so I can see if this get users call actually works. Let's put this in the register. Oh yeah, I can just throw it in. How about admin in it? No. Here we go, WP head. Let's try that. What the hell? Oh, do I not have... No. Yeah, that's definitely... The plugin's active. Why is this not working? What the hell? WP head. Is this not loading on my local? You thought when you click my name it takes me bio, not the logout screen. No. I only let you log out. You don't get a bio. Not on this website. You get to play the game and shut up. Get out. Here, let's try putting it in here. Apparently, I need it here. Go. There we go. Empty. Okay, well there's your problem. Apparently this is not a thing. Meta keys, fields all. What if we just do... Is that how you do it? Meta key, meta value? That doesn't seem right actually. Isn't it meta query? Hold on. Get users, meta query. Yeah, see, I think it actually has to be a meta query. God damn it. See, this is why you can't trust AI, guys. You should just trust your gut. Meta query. Don't ask me why it needs 2 arrays, but it does. And I think what? Compare equal. See if that works. When his characters are made of. What? Go. There we go. Wait, what? No, that's wrong. Oh, I guess I need to do... What was it? Number posts? Wait, what is it? How do you do how many? Get users. What are the arguments? Is it number post? Is it post per page? How you do it? God damn it! I hate when they don't give you the fucking the options. User query, fine. This usually gives you more. Number. The maximum return results. Okay, so it's number. Let's see if that works. There we go. We got one. And technically this is correct, isn't it? No, it's not. It was a steer on. So meta key is Twitch account. Meta value. Orbem order. This is wrong. I don't know why. What am I doing wrong here? Why am I speaking in caps? Probably sounds like I'm yelling. We need more flex keys, I know. Everybody buy these. Quick. It's really late. Get a pair of flex keys today. It's $4.99. Flexkeys.shop. Care about your fingers. You know what I mean? Care about them. No one's gonna care about your fingers like you do. Okay. This meta query is not correct. I need to find an example of the fucking meta query. Get users with meta query. Give me a real example, you fucking idiot. Key, value, compare. That's exactly what I'm doing. But it's not working. Get users. Meta query. Wait. Did they say key value, not meta key, meta value? Oh. I don't think that's right, but I'm gonna try it because I'm desperate. Maybe it is. Key value. That kind of sounds right. Oh, I think it's supposed to be that. When it's in the meta query, you don't need meta key. Meta. Yeah. Empty. Okay, there we go. Well, we're getting somewhere, though. That's wrong. Because my Twitch account should definitely have... Oh, I think I already have the database open. Right here. Okay. Oh, I need user meta. User meta! Show me! Oh, fuck. It's underscore. God damn it. Pay attention to your names, guys. Boom. Fixed. Okay. Now let's plug this bitch into the fucking... Okay. Let's plug this in now to the Orbem chatter plugin, and we'll finally be done with this. Yeah, let's get rid of this, and let's do this. And instead of this, it's going to be Chatter Twitch account. No, Chatter username. I think that's what it was before, right? Yeah. All right. And now I'm so confident this is going to work. I'm just pushing it up blind. So freaking... I know. Ballsy move, guys. I know. Sometimes when you've been a programmer as long as I have, you just have to take risks so you can sleep quicker. Duetting with myself. Have you heard of infamous UTTP? Quite evil. No. Yeah, alright. Yeah, I don't think I need to touch that. Okay. This is gonna fix it. And by this, I mean this. Go! This guy's still developing? Thank you. Hey, Mustafa. Welcome back, my friend. Yeah. I appreciate you. Yeah, it's been a long one tonight. But I had to fix this bug. And I can't let the cubic meter, aka Sama, leave. Because it's the only test I have on Twitch. So don't you dare leave before I fix this. It's gonna work, I promise. Alright, shatters. It worked. Let's fucking go. It's working. Watch. If the cache cleared on my Yep, there it is. Yay! So now I can assign Twitch accounts to any account. And when they show up, the avatar will show up. That's awesome. That is fantastic. I'm very happy about that. That'll make it a lot easier to assign stream avatars to people. Sorry, everybody on the phone. I actually don't have stream avatars loaded here. I think I used to, but the spacing didn't work. How do I do that? Was it... I think it was video capture? No. Media source? No. Capture card? No. Browser? Yes, browser. Here we go. There you go. Now you can see it on the phone. You would like check text to speech? Well, maybe. Possibly. I will consider it. Actually, I'm going to put it right above my head on the phone, not the screen. I'll let you just buzz around my head like a bee. There you go. So now on the phone you can also see, this is what it looks like. This is a stream avatar I developed in WordPress in a plugin, and it uses the Twitch API, and it takes whatever your WordPress account avatar is. If you're logged into Twitch, it'll show up and just kind of move around my head. It has some constraints I built into the JavaScript movement, but it's completely random movement logic. So sometimes you move really fast over here, sometimes you move really slow over here. And yeah. And it's funny when I have like 3 or 4 of them running. But hey, everybody, I'm fucking done. I gotta sleep. So I'll try to get as much art done as possible, and we'll start building the level out more tomorrow. But hey, thanks so much for jumping on. Sama, Twitch, YouTube. I appreciate both of you Samas. Mustafa, thank you so much for jumping on and saying hi, my friend. Scientist, thanks for jumping on and saying hi. Harlow, always a pleasure. Hope you had fun tonight, and good luck on your second trip. Titan Knight Gaming, thank you for jumping on as well. Appreciate talking about the WordPress game. Dak Dude, always a pleasure, my friend. Loal, thanks for saying hi. Miguel, thanks for all the questions. Hope you come back and see more of the progress on the game. And I think that's it. With that, buy Flex Keys, yes. Don't forget what Cubic Meter said. Buy Flex Keys. And good night.